Sales teams waste hours calling leads. Scaling this is expensive and hard. What if AI could do it? Meet Flowzint, the autonomous AI sales team. Let's see how it works.
Getting started with Flowzint takes only a few minutes. First, we define the business profile, target audience, and sales objectives. Next, we upload product brochures, sales documents, and company knowledge resources. Flowzint automatically processes these documents and creates a knowledge base that the AI agent can use during real customer conversation. This ensures every interaction is accurate, personalized, and aligned with the business's products and services. Flowzint supports multiple businesses and sales teams through dedicated workspaces. Each business can create its own workspace, configure unique objectives, manage agents, and organize leads independently. Creating a workspace is simple. We enter the workspace details, configure our campaign settings, and create a dedicated environment for our sales operations. Next, we upload a CSV file containing our lead database. Flowzint automatically imports and organizes the leads, preparing them for AI-powered outreach campaigns. With everything configured, we are now ready to start calling prospects at scale. Instead of manually creating scripts and sales playbooks, Flowzint uses AI to generate a complete sales persona automatically based on the business information and uploaded documents. It creates personalized introductions, qualifying questions, objection handling strategies, and conversation flow. The result is an AI sales representative that understands the product, follows the business objective, and is immediately ready to engage with customers. Once satisfied with the configuration, we activate the agent and prepare it for live outreach. Now let's see Flowzint in action. After selecting a lead from our database, we initiate a real outbound phone call. The AI agent introduces itself professionally, explains the product, answers customer questions, and handles objections naturally. Unlike traditional automated systems, Flowzint understands context and can adapt the conversation based on the customer's responses, whether the prospect is interested, hesitant, or comparing competitors. The AI agent continues the discussion intelligently and guides the customer toward the next step in the sales process. In this example, the customer agrees to learn more, and the AI successfully moves the conversation toward booking a product demonstration. All of this happens without human intervention. Flowzint is more than an AI caller. It is a self-improving autonomous sales team that can engage prospects, analyze conversations, learn from every interaction, and continuously optimize performance at scale. Thank you for watching our hackathon project demonstration. Welcome to the future of AI-powered sales automation.